Hi everyone, hey, this is Steve Williams with Sentinel Emergency Solutions. I want to talk to you today about one of our newest deliveries for the Mehlville Fire Protection District. This is a 78-foot Viper Rosenbauer aerial. This is a smart aerial, features many things such as a steel ladder. The ladder has been painted. As we go through the cab, we have a 70-inch raised, or 8-inch raised cab with a 70-inch length cab. The cab itself has multiple compartments also built into the exterior. This is good for the driver's gear. In the back, we also have another compartment that's really good for fire extinguishers. A water can fits in there nicely. You can also see we have some New York hooks on the top as well. Coming back here, we also have another large compartment that opens up. So this guy here, we can put all kinds of different things on here, such as appliances, hand tools, things that the department may want to put on here. We have an area for 3 large pre-connects up here. These are speed lathes that come across. As you look through the pump op panel, you'll see that these are our innovative controls. These are really nice, so everything's all color coordinated. Over here we also have some electric master intakes. As we move into the body's an extruded aluminum body, giving you that lifetime transferable warranty. So as you can see on the front of this, we have quite the space on the front of this compartment, so it offers quite a bit of storage. This truck actually has a 400-gallon water tank and a 2,000 GPM pump. So we go over the wheels, you can see this is quite a large compartment as well. It has a big drop-down shelf for a lot of storage. Coming back to the back behind the wheel, again, we have additional slide-out shelves. So all the shelving you see here has been done at Sentinel. So we do a lot of the custom shelving here at Sentinel on these trucks as they come in. Moving around to the back, something we like to show. We have a nice roll-up door protecting all the ground ladders and so forth, but we also have a really nice hose tray that comes out. So I'll show you how that works. So it's just a manual control, pull it right out. So I did that with one hand on a hill. Of course, it's not loaded, but it just shows you how easy it is to manipulate this. It also has little latches on the side. We can open this up and we can load hose at the fire ground pretty easily. So now we can get in here and load 3-inch, 2.5, whatever the customer may put on here. Over here, we also have 5-inch supply. So another really cool feature on this particular truck is the 5-inch storage. If you come around to the side, you can see where we have these lift-up doors. This is a really nice feature for the department whenever it comes time to reloading all that supply line. Ladder trucks usually are not the easiest to reload, but this particular truck has a really nice setup, so it's really easy to get in and out of. Coming back over here, just underneath of these doors, you can see we have more storage back here. Some nice custom slide outs that our guys built at Sentinel. So you can see, we try to maximize as much space on these trucks as possible. So there's another nice compartment the guys laid out. Coming over to the officer side of the pump panel, it's pretty simple, pretty clean, which is really nice. We have these floating hose wells in here. Pretty good access to the side of the pump. Again, the big pre-connects are easy to get to. The cab itself, again, as we come around to the cab, you can see that we can put extinguishers in here, New York hooks. It's pretty common for that anymore. Moving into the cab, we have a clean air scrubber on the back of the engine tunnel. We also have storage on the inside for the interior crew. There's 2 SCBA seats in the back of this apparatus. As we come up to the officer's position, you'll see that this one's laid out really nice. It has the custom Havas console and the custom inlay on the dash, giving both the driver and officer a Vista screen so they can control scene lighting, warning lights, those kind of components on the truck. As we come back around to the front of the truck, you'll see that the front bumper has a nice discharge up here for a pre-connected hose line. We can get quite a bit of hose in here. This one will easily fit 150-foot pre-connect for car fires, trash fires, those kind of things. Okay guys, as we close out this truck, if you want more information on this particular truck, get a hold of us. Check out all our social media sites, Facebook, our webpage, all those things, Instagram. We have some really good stuff on these trucks. And if you want to reach out to us, just see if you need some more information on this truck, please do so. Again, I'm Steve Williams with Sentinel. Thanks for watching.